Hello everyone, welcome back for another review on Jerry's View. Today we will be reviewing and unboxing the Holan Aroma Diffuser sold at Amazon.ca. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find the Aroma Diffuser, the measuring cup, power supply, and the user manual. The power supply is an auto bolt that you could use anywhere. It takes 110 volts to 240 volts, so you could use it anywhere, and the output is a 24 volt. It also comes with a measuring cup. The measuring cup has units on it which you can barely see, but on the top it says 150 ml. The spout is a good addition for a no spill pouring, and the manual comes only in English, which is the first time I've seen in all the products that I got from Amazon. Usually it's Chinese and English or Chinese only. Now let's look at the Aroma Diffuser. Here you can see the light button and the mist button, and at the bottom there's the rubbery footing, and then there's the power connection. And there is a vent with a fan for cooling. Let's open it, and to open it all you have to do is twist and pull. Here you go. Then inside there's another cover you could just lift up or remove, and here is where you're gonna put the water and the fragrance or oil fragrance. And it doesn't use heat, it uses ultrasonic to produce the mist. When you put water on it, you can put the amount that you desire. It could be half or almost full, but you must not exceed the maximum level or maximum safe level of water on the container. Now let's start to test it. For this test, we're just gonna use a few amounts of water just to show the mist that the unit is producing. First, let's plug the Aroma Diffuser. Let's put the power cable and make sure that when you put the power cable that you hook it so it doesn't come off or it doesn't play around when you put it on the table. Okay, let's plug it in. Now, once plugged in, let's put the water. So I did not put all of it because we are only doing a test. Now let's put the cover, and now the outer cover, so just put it, just twist it and it will lock. To turn on the light, just press the light and you will see that it gives you a set or a rhythm of lights where it changes from color, and it changes intensity, which is really good for as a night light. Now let's turn on the mist. To turn it on, just press the mist button and you will see a green light indicating that the mist is running. Let's see if we could see the mist on this video. Let me bring it closer. Now you can see that a mist is coming out from the unit. The first mode is the intermittent mode. The unit produces mist for 30 seconds, then it shuts off. After 30 seconds, the unit will continue to produce mist. Here you see that the mist shut off for 30 seconds and then it turned on again. Pressing the button for the second time will activate the second mode, which is indicated by a red light. This mode will continuously produce mist non-stop until the water is empty. Now let's see the light. Pressing the light button will change the color or its mode, and it will continue to change every time you press it. Press and hold the light button to turn off the light. The Holan Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier and Aroma Diffuser is a well-made product that works as intended. It is a good addition to your house, especially in your bedroom, and the mood lights are very soothing in your eyes. Producing mist using ultrasonic instead of heat is a very safe way, in my opinion, especially if you use it as a humidifier. With its price and quality, the Holan Ultrasonic Cold Mist Humidifier is a product that you can add to your list. I hope this review helps. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.